So like, as far as it goes for food delivery, do you think it's worth it to use the Tesla for food delivery?
Yes and no. There's a little strategy. Okay. There's a purpose behind it. So I love $2, $3 deliveries, but it's because of the quest. And I don't know how to explain. I'm going to put it on my ebook, but it's hard to explain because like I have to show it while I'm driving. So, all right. So there is a quest, right? So the quest is whatever, let's say it's $45, $45. If I do a couple of deliveries through the first 3 days, like 5, 10 deliveries, I usually go for 10. That's usually what I go to. And then I do it during the times where people are ordering food. And the reason why it is because they're usually short trips. When people are ordering food, they're like right around the corner. And a lot of people are doing deliveries, but when they do deliveries, they deny all those $2, $3 trips. They don't want to do them. They're cheap, but those are the ones that I want. The reason why I want them because I just want to get the trip done so I can get to my quest a lot faster.
Mm-hmm.
That's why if people look at my income from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is my highest paying one. But that's why it's because the quest hits on Wednesday, but it's because I did all those little trips. So what happens, that $45 quest or $50 or whatever, it's 100. All right. And I did a couple of deliveries and stuff. And I only made like $2, $3 per trip, whatever. But with the $45, each one of those trips turned out to be like $8.
Oh, okay.
And then on the third day, they all add up. And then once the quest hits, you start realizing it's like, wow, how can I make this amount of money if I'm doing deliveries? But it's just the numbers. So you just want to do like a couple of deliveries because they're quick, they're fast, they're right around the corner, and they usually double orders. And you finish them up in a couple of you could do like 5. I mean, on a good day, you could do like 5 in an hour, and that's all you need. And that's all you need. And then if it's when deliveries die down, you just go right back to rideshare and you start making the money. But that's how I balance it out. And then everything balances out. So Monday, I might not make a lot of money. Tuesday, I might not make a lot of money. But on Wednesday, I just do, I try to do all deliveries and a couple of deliveries and trips. But once that quest hits, then it balances out the other 2 days that I had losses on.
Okay, that's good then. So yeah, Wednesdays are like the best days then.
Yeah, I love, like, I got a $1.95 delivery to it, but I love them. They're the best ones. Those are the ones that I really need, for the whole entire thing to work. If I start getting like really long trips on the deliveries, then the strategy just kind of falls apart. So I really need those like really cheap ones. But the only way I could get those cheap ones is during the time where people are ordering they're ordering food, and because the other drivers deny the cheap ones. So those are the ones that I want.
Okay, that makes sense.